Hello. Sometimes I love my baby hairs, but at times then it becomes very dry and they become very dull. So what to do? One option is of using a straightener. So I am having this hair straightener. Yes, but what happens is then my hair become very straight. It's like, and the thickness also then it becomes very thin. They look very thin. So I don't want that, but I want a little bit straight, not too curly. What can I do for that? Yes, one idea. I have just brought a product from AGARO. Let me check where it is. Yes, this is the brush from AGARO. I think the price is also good because the hair straightener it was for 5,000 rupees and this is quite cheap as compared to the straightener. So let's try this and see. We are getting a long cord so I can sit anywhere and do, and these are having 3 attachments. One is like a blow dry on one, this is a blow dry, then this is a semi blow plus heat, and the third one is like you get more heat. So I am going to try, it's already dried, so I am going to try the second and the third one, and that time you can't hear my voice. Yes. See the way they have become silky and smooth, and this side you can see it's curly. Yes, I like it. Now I'm going to try the third one. Let me try and then show you directly, otherwise this video will be very long. See, I have just completed doing on the third mode. I have used the third mode and you can see the shine. So yes, definitely a yes, and full points for AGARO hairbrush. And I was looking for such a thing from so much time, and the price is also reasonable. You can check the link under this either in the comment or in the caption, and you can buy it. Bye.